January 26th. Today the Apollos IE Tense Emotions will be coming, so cars will be there today at Cars and Coffee, so let's get today's start. Cold today. Cars are showing up pretty early right now. It's almost that time. Wait for the cars over there. For male. Julia. Can't remember. Beautiful car. More cars coming in, so I'm gonna try to keep the video quality a little low, so that way I can save some for the Apollo. So that's pretty much what I'm here for. Wait to see them. Exact model M3 I want. Damn, this is insane. All the other ones, honestly, I will pick this one better. E92 I love. Such a great car. The color on this is amazing. Damn. Shelby GT500.
All done, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Let's keep the cars
Ready?
Three brand new GT500s, and that one already broke the world record. Forsaken for quarter mile, 9.7.
Here's what you do.
The first one reached that time, so
Yeah, pretty much.
I got a Buick right now.
knows the information about it, just let me know. That freaking car, man. And then more over here coming in. nail polish guys getting it done. The cars look nice.
Same style back. Right now you can drive it. Oh, you know what I didn't do on that one? If I have it,
Regular first car demo, and then the first customer car delivered. Still amazing. It's dirty, but I guarantee they like to drive it, so whether they drive it, it's good. So as close as I'm gonna get, that's about it for me. Alright, well that madness just happened. I'm gonna walk around more. There's more cars here. Before we got a Gallardo from Blackout Coffee. 458. Original 458, most of it. Tan interior. Cars here so far.
West Coast, been matching. I got more bitches than Petco. BDS, drinking and busting like the Metro. West side Yankees, Midtown business. Yeah, I schoolyard to the children. Used to be broke, cash money got me healing. You can't tell me how to make a meal till you make a meal. Welcome to the West Coast. This the best coast. You can find the best hoes and the best stroke. Doing the dance and the action up and down.
Out here. Try to go around quickly. So we got DBS convertible. That shit looks insane. The paint on it is sparkling real nice. See it. Shiny. Nice and shiny. We got the Vantage. Oh, wait a minute. That is awesome. I will take this car in a heartbeat. I don't care about the interior. I will take the man. Now that car I will definitely get. We have the new McLaren GT. Nice car when you go golfing.
Well, they went there. Oh, and then he said he parked over there where the guys that built his Mustang. So I said, I'll get you in there if you want.
So I forgot the color of this car. I'm not gonna pretend I know every color. It's like a light blue, but my friend Omar says it's mint green.
Mint. Let's go for it.
Minty 720S Spider. Really nice color on it. The interior. Makes me miss Betty's car. This color is pretty nice. Very nice Spider. Okay, a lot of good stuff going on. We got the craziness over there. So that's crazy over here. So I can get enough photos and videos real quick that I can. Let's go right here real quick. PTR Big Wing.
Taking a selfie with ice.
Lana. This other spec. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I got a bunch of Porsches and GTRs over there. Right now it's looking good so far. It's looking good. It's the first time color scheme I've seen. White with blue striping. Blue and red striping. The original old ACR. Rolls Royce. Can't go wrong with that.
is a beast.
He looks at the car and then he looks back. It's like, do you want to get 2 miles?
Yeah. This is the British model. Mr. Ryan's gonna remote the steering wheel. Show us how it looks like in person. I've seen it in videos. It's better to see it right now in person.
I think the Supercar Blonde got that off faster than you did.
I know.
Watch.
Gotta get back in the gym.
Right. You gotta YouTube it. To get it off. Wow, that's awesome. Look at that thing.
So the production wheel is much more refined and revised. This is the prototype wheel. So everything's nothing's off the shelf, and includes every material that's produced in the car.
That's nice.
It's a pretty lightweight, huh?
It actually has a nice feel to it.
A little
it's
weight,
heavier
yeah.
than you expect.
Some aluminum in it.
Really?
Aluminum, titanium,
Right.
leather, carbon, Inconel. Yep. What type of car is this?
It's Apollo.
Apollo IE.
Kind of cars.
Yeah, of course it's higher, but it's not really truthful because you have to always back at the left to get the effective number. So 1350 kilograms of net downforce. So the conversion is 2.2 right to pound. So extremely high.
At what speed?
It's 300 kph. Yeah. But also the curve is not in a sense very steep, so it's more flat and gradually.
It's linear.
So you have a lot of usable aero at much lower speeds. Yeah.
Well, yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
And over there.
But it's no active aero. So you can adjust certain components on the car, but you have to do it with rent. So everything about this car is for the experience.
You gonna start it up?
That was crazy. Mikey wants to get that perfect. Mikey wants to get that perfect shot. Wow. Oh my God. gone, and right now I'm just gonna end it with Joe Toro's car. The one I did the toy rally with. Give him a follow.
You're coming on the rally in March?
Joe has Capristo exhaust on his. Sounds pretty nice. Loading it, pretty fun. It's a fun car. It's a fun car. Lamborghini SV Roadster. Can't go wrong with it. Alright guys, Roger Coffee's coming to an end shortly. I'm going to be out of here soon. Everybody enjoy your day. Stay safe out there. Carrera GT. Capristo exhaust on the SV. Pretty awesome. To end the video, we'll have Mike Franco with his famous socks. Oh, no famous socks today. Never mind. Alright guys.